water issue within the Gauteng, or the country rather, is it's been quite an issue for a while, and many areas find themselves having water disruptions. And as we've been following the water situation, it has become what many are now calling a crisis, and that is what the DA is gathering here about today. But as we know, the water issue is more of a human issue than it is about any political party. But today, as it is Human Rights Day, it is, after all, enshrined within the Constitution the right to basic services, and water is one of those basic services. I do have with me here from the DA Martin Nel, who's going to talk to me a bit more about what today is about and what it's supposed to shine the light on. Martin, thank you so much for joining us here. Of course, it's human rights, and we're talking about human rights at the moment as people are busy celebrating Human Rights Day. But the water issue, the basic services, and what does that mean in terms of the human rights and the Constitution?
You know, it is like you said, it's enshrined in our Constitution. Water, to have water, is a basic human right. It's not a luxury. You know, a lot of people think it's a luxury to have water, and a luxury to have water in their taps. It's not a luxury. It's a basic human right, and the Constitution and it's supposed to protect people and enshrine these human rights, the basic human rights of having water in a tap, not in a tanker. You know, people don't need to go and wait for a truck every day. And you know, old people, fragile people, women, children, they have to carry water buckets all over the place, and it's totally absurd.